Okay, so it's 8 hours later, right? You check your phone, and there's a lead. Filled out your form last night, and you never even saw it. By the time you actually reply, they've already booked a call with some other agency. Yeah, it happens. Like, all the time. To basically everyone. And here's the thing. Every slow reply is literally cash walking out the door. One missed lead a week? That's thousands a year. Easy. Now multiply that across your whole pipeline. There's actual data on this. Leads who get contacted in the first 5 minutes convert way higher than ones you get to an hour later. Speed isn't some nice bonus. It's kind of the whole game. But look, you're running an agency. You've got clients breathing down your neck, deliverables due, a team to keep on track. You're not going to sit there refreshing your inbox all day. So here's what a lot of smart agencies are doing now. They've basically taken humans out of that first response job entirely. The second someone fills out your form, a webhook fires, instantly. No waiting around for someone to check their phone. It's live the moment they hit submit. That webhook kicks off an AI agent. It reads the lead's info, writes something that actually sounds personal, and sends it straight to their inbox, all in like seconds. So no more missed leads. No more scrambling at 11 p.m. to reply. No losing deals just because you were asleep or stuck in a meeting. It just runs. All day, every day. And faster replies just mean more calls booked, more deals closed. Your agency grows without you having to hire someone just to answer forms all day. Look, if you're still doing this manually, you're already behind the agencies that aren't. This isn't some far-off fix either. You could have this running by next week. So click the link below and we'll build this exact thing for your agency. Stop bleeding leads. Start closing deals.